So I will be doing a quick breakdown on GbpUsd. This was taken during New York section today, which is the 8th of 21st of August 2023. So right here, you can see buy side was taken out and sell side was taken out. We created our dealing range. You can check out our course. We have a well-defined lesson on buy side, sell side, dealing range, and every other term that I will use so that you would understand the whole idea of this particular trade setup. Then we'll go down to the lower time frame. You can see the Fibonacci, which is from 0 to the 100. Our target is the 50% of this dealing range. Why? Because if you look at market structure, there's always a retracement, and our target is to always, our plan is always targeting the retracement of a price leg, and which is this, which eventually this particular trade was a profitable one. So now what gave us our entry right here? We enter off a breaker or a fair value gap, and now as you can see, let me show you guys. Okay, 8:30, that's the start of New York session, and the end is 12 o'clock. So we are always paying attention inside. New York mostly is for retracement, and that is why this strategy, these are one of the confirmations for this particular strategy. So then we can see that price was creating series of higher highs and higher low, created this higher high here, created this higher low, created this higher high. And I mean higher highs and higher lows, that's in terms of market structure, because it is an uptrend. So created this higher high right here, then created a low, because it was lower than what's previous higher low, and then refused to create another higher high, which shows what? An interest to move to the downside. So we can see this initial impulsive move that broke the higher low, and then now this particular high that refused to create a higher high now becomes our our lower high, and then we can see this impulsive move that creates our lower low, and then now we are entering off the fair value gap right here. Someone will be asking, why did we not use this particular fair value gap right here? Because if you look at it on the 15-minute time frame, okay, there was nothing really here at this particular point. On a lower time frame, which is the 5 minutes, here would not give us an idea. Yes, sometimes price would come here and begin to retrace, but then I would not take it as a profitable setup. So imagine you took it at this particular place right here, this fair value gap right here. Price would come up here, and then your stop loss would have been much. So, but then now you see I took the fair value gap here, entered off the low of the fair value gap, and my high, my stop loss was right here above this high right here. Why? Because this was the higher high, sorry, the lower high to the lower low. So I don't expect price to go above this lower high. That was why I put my stop loss at the tip of the lower high. You see price came up and then began to move to the downside and then hit our 50%. So thank you and have a great day.